Jaranwala, a city bathed in the golden glow of ripening wheat. It lies in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan. This is a land where life revolves around the cycles of nature. Jaranwala sits just 40 kilometers east of Faisalabad. It is a short drive through a landscape dotted with farms and villages. The air here is different. It carries the scent of freshly tilled earth and the sweet fragrance of blooming cotton. Jaranwala is a city deeply connected to its rural roots. It is a place where tradition and modernity intertwine. Jaranwala is known as the breadbasket of Pakistan. This title is not just a name, it is a reflection of the region's rich agricultural heritage and its pivotal role in feeding the nation. The vast fields of Jaranwala stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the hard work and dedication of its farmers. This is a title earned through generations of hard work and fertile land. The soil here is rich and fertile, nurtured by the hands of those who have worked it for centuries. Each sunrise over these fields marks the beginning of another day of toil and hope. The fields here are a patchwork of green and gold. This vibrant mosaic is not just visually stunning, but also a symbol of the diversity and abundance of crops that grow here. From wheat to cotton and sugarcane to vegetables, the land supports a wide variety of produce. They are a testament to the bounty of the earth. The sight of ripe wheat swaying gently in the breeze is a reminder of nature's generosity and the rewards of diligent farming practices. Wheat, cotton, and sugarcane flourish under the warm Punjabi sun. These crops are not just plants, they are the lifeblood of the region, sustaining the economy and the people who depend on it. These crops are the lifeblood of Jaranwala's economy. They sustain its people. The process of harvesting and transporting these crops is a well-coordinated effort, involving the entire community. The sight of farmers tending to their fields is a common one. From dawn till dusk, these dedicated individuals work tirelessly, ensuring that the land remains productive and fertile. Their hands, roughened by years of toil, are a symbol of their dedication. Each callus and wrinkle tells a story of perseverance and commitment to the land. The agricultural abundance of Jaranwala is not limited to these crops. The region's fertile soil supports a wide variety of produce, making it a vital part of Pakistan's food supply. Vegetables, fruits, and other grains also thrive in this fertile region. The diversity of crops ensures that the local diet is rich and varied, providing essential nutrients to the community. The city's bustling grain markets are a testament to its agricultural prowess. These markets are not just places of trade, they are the heart of the community where people come together to share the fruits of their labor and celebrate their agricultural heritage. Jaranwala's history is as rich and fertile as its soil. The city has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires. It has absorbed influences from various cultures. It carries within its heart the echoes of the past. The region's history dates back to ancient times. It was once a part of the Indus Valley civilization. Over the centuries, it has been ruled by various dynasties. Each has left its mark on the city's architecture, culture, and traditions. Today, Jaranwala is a blend of old and new. Ancient mosques stand tall alongside modern buildings. Traditional bazaars coexist with contemporary shopping centers. The past and the present coexist in this vibrant city. Jaranwala's beauty lies in its simplicity. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, this city is a testament to the harmonious relationship between man and nature. The landscape here is a living canvas, painted with the vibrant hues of green fields and the deep blue of the sky. It is a city adorned with the colors of nature. The fields are not just green, they are a mosaic of colors, with wildflowers adding splashes of red, yellow, and purple. These fields are a testament to the fertility of the land and the hard work of the farmers who tend to them. Lush green fields stretch as far as the eye can see. These expansive fields are the backbone of Jaranwala's economy, providing sustenance and livelihood to its people. The sight of these fields under the clear blue sky is a reminder of the abundance that nature provides. They are crisscrossed by a network of canals. These canals are a marvel of engineering, designed to bring life-giving water to every corner of the agricultural land. They weave through the fields like veins, ensuring that every crop receives the nourishment it needs. These canals are the lifeblood of the region. Without them, the fields would wither and the land would turn barren. The water that flows through these canals is a precious resource, carefully managed to ensure that it reaches every part of the farmland. They carry water to the fields, sustaining the crops and quenching the thirst of the land. The irrigation system is a testament to human ingenuity, transforming arid land into fertile fields that can support a thriving agricultural community. The canals also provide a welcome respite from the heat. On hot summer days, the cool breeze that blows over the water offers relief to the people working in the fields. It is a place where they can rest and rejuvenate, finding comfort in the shade of the trees that line the banks. People gather along their banks in the evenings. As the sun sets, the canals become a hub of social activity. Families and friends come together to share stories, laugh, and enjoy the tranquility of the evening. The canals are not just a source of water, they are a source of community and connection. They find solace in the cool breeze and the gentle sound of flowing water. The rhythmic flow of the water has a calming effect, helping people unwind after a long day. It is a simple pleasure, but one that is deeply cherished by the residents of Jaranwala. The rural landscape of Jaranwala is dotted with villages. These villages are the heart of the community, where traditions are preserved and the pace of life is slower. The houses are surrounded by fields, creating a seamless blend of human habitation and nature. These villages are home to people who live in harmony with nature. The villagers work the land with respect and care, understanding that their well-being is intertwined with the health of the environment. They have a deep connection to the land, one that is reflected in their daily lives. The pace of life here is slower, more in tune with the rhythms of the earth. In Jaranwala, time seems to move differently. There is a sense of peace and contentment that comes from living close to nature, from waking up to the sound of birds and going to bed under a sky full of stars. Life in Jaranwala is governed by the rhythm of the seasons. The people here have a deep connection with the land, and their lives are intricately woven with the changing weather patterns. Each season brings a new chapter, a fresh beginning, and a different set of tasks and traditions that have been passed down through generations. The year is divided into distinct periods, and each brings its own unique beauty and challenges. From the scorching heat of summer to the refreshing rains of the monsoon and the cool, crisp air of winter, every season has its own story to tell. Summers are hot and dry. The sun blazes down from a cloudless sky, turning the fields into a golden expanse. The heat can be intense, but it is also a time of growth and preparation. The sun beats down relentlessly, but the people of Jaranwala are accustomed to the heat. They rise early to work in the fields, taking advantage of the cooler morning hours. As the day progresses, they seek shade and rest, conserving their energy for the tasks that lie ahead. They go about their daily lives, working in the fields and seeking respite in the shade of trees. The large ancient trees provide a sanctuary from the sun, their branches offering a cool haven where people can gather, share a meal, and find a moment of peace. Winters are mild and pleasant. The harshness of summer gives way to a gentler season, where the air is crisp and cool. The fields, once parched and dry, are now a vibrant green, teeming with life. The air is crisp and cool, and the fields are covered in a blanket of green. Mornings are often misty, with a soft fog that blankets the landscape, creating a serene and almost magical atmosphere. It is a time for harvesting crops and for families to gather around bonfires, sharing stories and laughter. The harvest season is a time of celebration, where the hard work of the year is rewarded with bountiful crops and joyous gatherings. The monsoon season brings much-needed rain, transforming the landscape. The dry, cracked earth drinks deeply, and the fields are rejuvenated. The rain is a welcome relief, bringing with it a sense of renewal and hope. The canals overflow and the fields come alive with the sound of frogs croaking. The once dusty paths are now muddy trails, and the air is filled with the scent of fresh rain and wet earth. The air is thick with the smell of wet earth. The monsoon is a time of abundance, where the land is replenished and the cycle of life continues. In Jaranwala, the rhythm of the seasons is more than just a change in weather. It is a way of life, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. Section 6. Life rooted in the land. Agriculture is not just an occupation in Jaranwala. It is a way of life. It is deeply ingrained in the social fabric of the city. Generations of families have toiled on the same land. They have passed down their knowledge and traditions. The people of Jaranwala are known for their hard work, resilience, and hospitality. They are deeply connected to their land and their community. They believe in sharing their bounty with others. The local markets are a hub of activity. Farmers bring their produce to sell. Artisans display their handicrafts. The air is filled with the sounds of bargaining, laughter, and the aroma of spices. Section 7. Nature's bounty, flora and fauna. Despite its agricultural development, Jaranwala is home to a surprising diversity of flora and fauna. The canals and surrounding fields provide a habitat for a variety of species. Birdsong fills the air. Sparrows, doves, parrots, and kingfishers are a common sight. During the migratory season, the skies come alive with flocks of birds heading south for the winter. Small mammals like squirrels, rabbits, and hedgehogs can be spotted in the fields and gardens. The region's native flora includes a variety of trees, shrubs, and flowers. These provide food and shelter for the local wildlife. Section 8. Beyond Jaranwala, nearby treasures. Jaranwala's strategic location makes it an ideal base for exploring the surrounding region. The bustling city of Faisalabad is just a short drive away. It offers a vibrant mix of history, culture, and modernity. Chinio, another nearby city, is renowned for its exquisite wooden handicrafts. Its narrow streets are lined with workshops. Skilled artisans craft intricate designs on furniture, doors, and decorative items. These nearby attractions offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Punjab. They provide a contrast to the rural tranquility of Jaranwala. Section 9. A glimpse into the soul of Punjab. Jaranwala is more than just a city, it is a microcosm of rural Punjab. It is a place where life is deeply connected to the land. It is where tradition and modernity coexist. It is where the warmth of the people welcomes you like the Punjabi sun. A visit to Jaranwala is an opportunity to experience the true essence of Pakistan. It is a chance to witness the beauty of simplicity. It is a chance to connect with nature. It is a chance to create memories that will last a lifetime.